In this video, we'll talk about the surprising secret to turning any man into a threat. Must know. Are you tired of being just another face in the crowd, easily stepped on by others? Do you want to become the apex predator instead of the prey? Today, I'm going to share with you 6 crucial strategies to transform yourself into a powerful, respected man that no one dares to mess with. The last strategy is the most important, so watch the video until the end. Number 1. Aggressive gratitude. The more you realize you need to be dangerous, the more you understand it's eat or be eaten. Homeless men get chewed up in this world. Some men know this is a ruthless world and one must be ruthless to cope with it. These men are highly respected and you don't mess with them. Most guys are just harmless worms, another face in the crowd with an opinion no one cares about. They get stepped on by others. Pathetic. I will teach you how to master the art of danger so you can become the apex predator instead of prey. Aggressive gratitude. If you are born in a decent country or have food to eat every day, you should be aggressively grateful. It's extremely ungrateful to be a loser or depressed if you are gifted with life and golden opportunities. In the Western world, people have it so good that they start complaining about irrelevant things. They create their own problems because they are too comfortable, and this makes them weak prey instead of dangerous men. There are people in third world countries who have it 100 times worse. Their houses get bombed or their children are starving, yet most of them don't even complain despite being justified. They still try to make the best out of their situation. Being ungrateful will always keep you weak. The first step to becoming truly powerful is to be aggressively grateful. Real gratitude. Most people misunderstand. They think gratitude is just something you pretend to have, empty words while eating a bag of chips. No, real gratitude is work. It is reaping what you are blessed with. Grateful for a healthy body? Prove it. Go train. Grateful for a functioning brain? Prove it. Use it to achieve something impressive. Gratitude isn't empty words. It is an act that must be paid in full. Real gratitude comes from the heart and it's extremely powerful. If you are truly grateful for your potential, it's impossible to be a loser. You will do everything to unlock that potential. Number 2. Willing to lose it all. There is a quote that goes, "The most dangerous creation of any society is the man who has nothing to lose," and it's true. The more things you are attached to, the more things can be used against you. Most weak and homeless people cling to things like their job, studies, or even their marriage. When they get fired, kicked out of school, or their woman leaves them, they are instantly destroyed. I'm not saying you shouldn't care about your job, studies, or marriage, but you shouldn't be so attached to it that another person's single decision can destroy you. To be dangerous, you need to detach from external things and be willing to lose it all. Bruce Lee once said, "It is the man that has nothing to lose or is willing to lose everything to beat you that I am afraid of." If a man is willing to lose his life to take mine, then I don't care how good I am or what I do to him, he's gonna get me. Stay tuned to the video. The next part is really vital. Number 3. Articulate your thoughts. The pen is mightier than the sword, but the tongue is mightier than both put together. Nothing is more dangerous than a man who can articulate his thoughts well. These are the men who can lead others and get an army to back them up. We have all seen the rise of Andrew Tate, and this was not because of his kickboxing skills or looks. It's because he has a silver tongue. This is the same reason why some channels have risen rapidly. Your ability to articulate your thoughts and speak well can get people behind you. I've spent a lot of time sharpening this tool before I started speaking on YouTube. This is why so many other channels that copy others fail. They think using a fake deep voice and copying videos will bring success. What they don't understand is that I am actually a man sharing my message to help other men. A man who can articulate his thoughts well is much more. I could teach you more about becoming a good orator, but I will save it for a different video. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more about the art of speaking. Number 4. Level-headed. Highly composed people are able to maintain their composure, especially when hard issues come up. They are rational and grounded where everyone else gets upset and overly emotional. Calm and sensible even in difficult situations. You can become better at being level-headed by taking a deep breath when a difficult situation comes up. Calm down and apply an objective examination of the situation. After that, use your common sense to make the right decision. Almost at the most important part. Keep watching. Number 5. Mental fortitude. Mental toughness is crucial for any man, and it's impossible to be dangerous if you are mentally weak. The best way to train mental toughness is by leaving your comfort zone. Personally, I have found that one of the best ways to train mental toughness is by pushing through fatigue, pushing to the barriers where you want to quit. There is another quote that goes, "Fatigue makes cowards of men." What this quote means is that everyone is a tough guy until they get fatigued. That's when fear starts to creep in. You must condition your mind. Get used to getting tired, and when you do, keep pushing. Real dangerous men have been outside of their comfort zone many times. They have proven to themselves they can push through fatigue. Now, for the most important point. Number 6. Physical fortitude. A dangerous man is not only mentally sharp but also physically fit. Being in good physical shape not only helps you look good, but it also gives you extra energy and stamina to take on any challenge that comes your way. A truly dangerous man understands the importance of physical fitness and training martial arts. An aesthetic physique is nice, but you need to be strong and prepared for any situation. Whether it's a physical altercation or a mentally exhausting day, being physically fit and trained for combat will help you power through difficult times. Never neglect your body. By mastering these 6 strategies, you'll transform into a powerful, respected man who commands attention and respect. Remember, being dangerous is about more than just physical strength. It's about mental toughness, gratitude, and the willingness to take risks. Don't forget to apply these strategies in your daily life and watch as you become the apex predator instead of the prey. Click the link to view the next powerful video.